Welcome to my channel. I hope everybody's having a wonderful, awesome December. Merry Christmas to you, because I'll probably see you again maybe before Christmas. I might do a post before Christmas. I might do a post on Christmas. These are some of my last dyes I did. Today I'm doing the Warship, which I've cleaned up and made ready to dye. This one turned out really good. This was my queen.
Don't kill it.
Don't kill it. Now we will do our best to make them beautiful. This is my Escape, which turned out simply gorgeous, I do believe. So this was my TL3. Someone gave this to me because I found their disc on the course, and I returned it to them. This was all white and red on the outside. I dyed it pink and red on the inside, and then I re-dyed the outside with the frame. I think it turned out really good. And then my forearm crave turned out, I think, absolutely great. Tell me in the comments what you think. If you think I'm doing a good job, if you think I'm some crazy diva dyeing disc, I am. And once again, I didn't go wash this, did I not? I did not. Shit. I shall be right back. Oh my God, how do you like that? I'm probably the world's fastest disc washer. And yes, just because my videos are meant for kids, I did say disc washer. I did not say something else. I am behaving. Kind of like greasy disc for guys. I don't know. As I was thinking about when I was washing the disc in the bathroom, I was going, greasy disc for guys? So anyways, we're doing, I'm going to try keeping the blue down low where the water is, and then I'm going to try using the pink and the pink and the red up in the sky. God, if I could keep the yellow off to one corner as a sun, that would be pretty, but I don't think the yellow will take. The yellow's been a lot of, yeah, yellow. I'll get my straw over here. But anyway, so that's our goal. We'll see how we do. So I guess if I'm working from, let's work from the bottom up. So I'll start right here with the, oh, that blue just like blip. I'm thinking 5 drops. See that with the 3 teaspoons, how it's spreading out a lot more.
Oh yeah.
Because I'm trying to get my mixtures right on all this, and all you can do is try. I need a stick. I need a stick. I'm gonna stick the bottom, I do believe. Alright, let's get, I'm gonna get my colors going on up here. Hmm. All right. Oh, that's strong. Oh my God, what a dork. I was just saying that. How'd that shit get on the inside? Alright, I ain't gonna do much more to it, I think. Okay. I don't think I can do much more to it. I can only get the shit right there. I'll be doing really good. Oh my God, here goes something. I hope I get this right. Wow, just enough glue. Came right to the edge all the way around. Oh my gosh. We'll see you all in 24 hours. I'm really excited about this one. I think I got a winner on this one. I really do. I think it's gonna look really good. That's all we can do. Let's try. All we can do is like and subscribe. Please share. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And give me your comments on what you think. Love you all. Peace out.